Hey there, beautiful people. Ever been ambushed by those pesky little bloodsuckers called fleas? If you're nodding your head or scratching right now, you're in the right place. So, here's the lowdown. I bet you've been scratching that irritating itch from a flea bite, huh? You know, those little red dots that make you feel like you've been used as a flea's personal buffet? Let's dive right in and make those bites history. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! And just to be clear, you don't need to run around using everything on this list. Pick what resonates, or what you have in your home already. Known as the plant of immortality by the ancient Egyptians, aloe vera is this magic plant that's been used for centuries. Why? Because it's jam-packed with anti-inflammatory properties. Just dab some onto the bite and feel the cool relief. Have you ever read about that study done in 2008? It showed aloe vera's superb skin benefits. Cool, right? This isn't about casting spells, but it might feel like it. Witch hazel's a natural astringent that reduces inflammation. Just soak a cloth in some witch hazel, then hold it on the bite for a few minutes. You ever heard of that research in the Journal of Inflammation back in 2011? They were singing praises about this natural remedy. Picture this, you've just finished a run, and you're hot and sweaty. Now imagine a blast of cold air. That's what a cold compress does for your bites. It reduces the swelling and numbs the area. Just wrap some ice in a cloth and place it on the bite for about 10 minutes. Easy peasy. Oatmeal. Not just for breakfast anymore. Remember when your grandma used to soak in that oatmeal bath? She was onto something. Mix equal parts oatmeal and water, then apply. It draws out the itchiness like a charm. And, believe it or not, there's research from the Journal of Drugs and Dermatology back in 2015 that backs up our granny's wisdom. Over-the-counter anti-itch creams. Look, sometimes we need a quick fix, right? These creams are everywhere in drugstores. Just apply a small amount on the bite. Done. Think of baking soda as the unsung hero of your pantry. A paste of baking soda and water? Slap that onto your bite. Just let it sit for about 10 minutes and rinse. Your skin will thank you. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. I know it might seem like a lot. But trust me, once you've got everything, it's a walk in the park. Before you know it, you'll be waving goodbye to those pesky flea bites. Before we wrap up, if you found this info bomb useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it with all your pals, and drop a comment below. Let's make those flea bites a thing of the past, together. Remember, you got this, and those fleas? They've got nothing on you.